Hello everyone, my name is Carlos Yaoub. I am STEM mentor and instructor at Ingenious Company. I have about 2 years experience in embedded systems, and now I'm interested in self-driving cars field. So I'm continuing my studies, and I'm taking intro to self-driving car nano degree to get a job in this field. So now we're going to continue our session. I'm going to share the screen. So if you remember, we have talked about variables, but now we're going to talk about arrays. So what is an array? It's a serious problem. We want to make a program to store the score of 100 students. If we're going to do it in the traditional way, we're going to make about, what do you think? Yes, 100 variables. Each variable store a value or a number. So for example, student 1 and student 1 equal 0 or 90. So student 1 had a score of 90 till 100. So we have about 100 variables. It's a waste. Yes, it's a waste of time and space. So instead of this, we're going to use a concept array. What is an array? The array is a data type. What does it do? It store a contiguous memory location. So for example, this is the array. We have 100 students, so it's from 0 to 100. So the first space of student 0, as we have discussed in the last session, in C programming, we start the index with 0. So the second space of student 1, etc., etc., till we reach, yes, you are right, 100. That's it. So how do we declare a variable? Can you tell me? Yes, it's the same, you're right. Data type, the name, and the value. So int is a data type, numbers is the name, and how many spaces? 100, like this. So we have a space of 100 spaces. Each space, we can store a value of integer, like this. Yes. If we want to store a float, we change into float. Okay. Everything is clear? Great. So here, how to initialize a variable or an array. The same is integer as a variable. Number, how many number? 10. So it's 1, 2, 3 till 10. So that's how we initialize an array. That's a wrong initialization of an array. Do you know why? Yes, you're right. Because we didn't tell the compiler what is the size of the array. So it can't initialize it in this way. Okay, great job. So how we access the elements of the array? This is a small program. We have a normal variable called x, and we have a variable. Its size is 6, and that's its value. If we want to store the value in the element 6 inside the variable x. So here, number of index 5. So that's index 0 of array numbers. Index 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what do you think is the value of x? Yes. So x is equal this expression, which is 12, right? Because that's the value inside the index 6. 5, sorry. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So that's a small program. I want you to read it. And if you are watching the session through a laptop, I want you to try it on a IDE. Okay. Yeah. Here, I am initializing the elements of the array according to the for loop. And here I am accessing the index of the array, and I am giving it a value here. And here I'm just printing, yeah, each value inside the array. So element of 0 is 100, element 1 is 101. Yeah, you're right. So Thanks for attending this session. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please contact me through my email or my LinkedIn profile. Thank you. Bye.